I have now just like initiated a on-the-spot tradition for us that whenever we visit, I guess a tropical or somewhere that has nice water, that we would try to find a little hidden gem, like we did with Sedona. We found a little creek that we were about to hit. However,
Well, it's a big river. You said a little creek.
yeah, because we're not getting in that big river part, are we? Well, we'll see if we hit the river part or the creek part. Ooh. Oh. There's, minnows, I guess minnows, of course, being curious, so they, they'll bump into or they'll peck at your leg.